Hey, howdy YouTubers, we have a new project. Let's open the package and let's find out what's in it. We have a plain simple box. This package contains 2 LED light bulbs and an Allen wrench. I bought these LEDs for $25.99, but the time that I'm recording this video it just went up $1 more. Right now it's $26.99. Alright guys, just take a look at the title. It says I got the 9007 bulbs because I have a 2004 Mustang which has high and low beams. Just take a look at the lumens. It says 157,500 lumens. I have no idea where they got that number from, because typical HID lights like 35 watt HID light produce about 3500 lumens. So I assume these lights would be the same, maybe a little bit more. Anyways, it's about $26, so I just wanted to give it a try. I bought it anyways. Okay, let's take a look at the lights. Build quality is pretty good for $25.99. LEDs are really good looking, very small. Construction of the bulb is pretty good. Heatsink is made out of aluminum, so there's no fans to worry about. Each bulb has about 12 LEDs, 6 LEDs for low beam and 6 LEDs for high beam. Let's go install this in the car. Your setup might be different than mine. I have HID lights installed in the car. So I had to remove 4 connectors from the driver's side and 3 more connectors from the passenger side. This is where I ran into a little problem. LED heatsink is too big to fit through the plastic retainer. So I removed the plastic collar from the LED light bulb. Connect the new light bulbs to OEM connectors. Finally, install the headlights in proper locations and you are done. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, give me suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.